So you wanna move a component relative to itself, not the world. That's add local offset. Now it expects component's own orientation. Move forward always means forward for the component, even if it's rotated. Now to get this node, just right click and type in add local offset. And as you can see on the screen, we have three options here. One for the cube, one for cube 1, and one for default scene root. And the reason we are seeing this because its target is scene component. So there should be a scene component always connected to a target, otherwise it will give an error. But for now, this is how you actually get this node. Let's just remove it for now. And here we have the example prepared where we are taking execution pin from event begin play like always, and then putting it in delay of 5 seconds, and then we are adding local offset, and the target this time is called cube. Now we will adding a delta location of like 50 50 50. For you it can be very different, experiment as you like. And then there is sweep and teleport. I will leave them empty, but yes, you can experiment and check out how it's different from that. And let's just compile and see it in action, what is actually happening here. Now as you can see on the screen, after 5 seconds it will just add 50. Yes, as you can see, it moved, but it moved a very little distance. We can't even see it properly. Let's just make it like 300, which will be enough to see whether it actually worked more clearly. I mean, it worked, I know that, but you have to see it more clearly. Let's do this. And now as you can see on the screen, yes, only one component moved to 300 like this. So it's pretty much very clear what this node actually does. So it is actually perfect for gun recoil, sliding door, or character parts that need to move related to themselves only, not the world. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.